Coolest things to have in your bedroom. Your bedroom is probably the most used space in your house. Some use it for sleep, while others use it for sleep as well as work. Either way, you want your room to be interesting. One way to do so is to add accessories to it. Some prefer houseplants or home decor, while others may like tech gadgets. We've done the hard work for you and selected the very best things for your bedroom. Before starting these amazing things, please like and subscribe to our Tech Top channel for this effort. Number 1. Astro Mini Fridge. If you are sick and tired of padding downstairs for a cold drink at 1 a.m. or to hunt for a bottle of milk for your crying baby, the Astro Mini Fridge is your new best friend. Slightly larger than a toaster, this compact fridge answers many needs. This gadget is great for ladies to store their beauty products, road trippers to keep their drinks cold, and the elderly to keep their medicines. The portable fridge has a removable top shelf, so 4 12-ounce drinks can be kept on the bottom, and some stuff like snacks on the top. Number 2. Modern Desk Lamp. I came across this cool-looking tree lamp while I was at CES 2020. In fact, the lamp immediately caught my attention with its sleek design and amazing aesthetics. Upon closer hands-on inspection, I came to know that the lamp isn't an ordinary bedside light, but features a ton of cool things. Ampulla lamp features a Bluetooth speaker and a wireless charger, along with its light. Number 3. Smart LED Smart Hexagon Touch Lights. Yescom LifeSmart is an incredible LED light kit that is equipped with 10 light blocks, as well as 1 tabletop base. In addition to that, this Wi-Fi Smart LED light kit features 10 wall mounting bases that are highly flexible. With this device, you will be able to enjoy the fantastic part of DE. There are 10 blocks that you can splice together and create your unique shape and design. You will be able to enjoy the gorgeous effects, and you will be able to create a romantic environment with the utmost ease. Number 4. SwitchBot Smart Curtain Robot. SwitchBot is a cool gadget that can make any curtain smart. SwitchBot is wireless, smart, and super convenient to use. Using this smart home accessory is very simple. Just clamp it onto your curtain rod, pair it with your smartphone, and SwitchBot will take care of the rest. Since not every curtain is the same, SwitchBot comes with a set of add-ins that you can use. Number 5. MIDI Window Air Conditioner. Unlike a traditional window air conditioner, MIDI uses state-of-the-art technologies to efficiently deliver cool air, while making less noise and consuming limited energy. Using the old-school window air conditioner always has its disadvantages. Among them is that they are noisy, they consume a lot of electricity, and it is not easy to install them. MIDI AC has been designed to block the noise, and it is simple to install it in your home. It uses less than 35% of your energy, so it is economical. Number 6. Nuzzle Pillow. Nuzzle Pillow is an innovative pillow built to help you have a better sleeping experience. If you are not willing to settle for anything but the best when it comes to sleep, then this pillow is for you. The Comfy Pillow is inspired by astronaut technology, which aims at promoting great sleep for everyone. It allows you to customize your sleep to fit every of your sleeping position. So, whether you prefer sleeping on the back, side, or stomach, Nuzzle is an excellent choice, because it enables you to adjust seamlessly and have a refreshing sleep. Nuzzle Pillow is comfortable, and it is made with nano coil that helps relieve stress and pain for better sleep. The feature we like about it is that it is made with premium layers and fills that have been rigorously tested to ensure they are of the right size and fit. You will love the optimal fill weight that has different comfort levels and accommodates various periods of sleep. Number 7. Air Omni 6-in-1 Charging Station. This is a multi-purpose device charging station that can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. It is made of aramid fiber with a carbon fiber look, is very lightweight, and is aesthetically pleasing. It has a convertible Type-C and Lightning connector, so it is compatible with the iPhone, as well as Type-C supporting devices. Number 8. Townu T1 Smart Trash Can. Trash cans might not be an exciting thing. However, it plays a significant role in our kitchens. Furthermore, trash cans have come a long way, and nowadays, we have smart trash cans available in the market. And the Townu T1 is one example. We shall be discussing Townu T1 trash can features, and what makes it stand out from other trash cans in today's market. This is it for the day. Which one gadgets do you like the most? Let us know in the comment box. Also, subscribe and ring the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. See you soon in the next video.